Now, let us see how to buy a domain name from Google and use that domain name for the apps which were deployed on AWS. So even though we have got a public link from the AWS, it is common for us to use a particular domain name and then use it either for testing or production or anything, right? So obviously we need to have a domain name. So let us go to Google Domains. And buy one from that. So the pricing varies based on the kind of domain we want. Get a new domain here. And so since our app is related to Days app, let us try to see if that particular kind of thing is available for us or not. Days app. So we can see all the kind of things, right? daysapp.co.in, daysapp.net, all these things. So these are all the different possibilities and domain names. So we can also filter that based on the names and prices. Let us for now just click on the price relevance. So this is one kind, this is the other kind, this is the other kind. So I'm just clicking on this daysapp.co.in or okay, so let's just choose this. See more endings, no. Let us add this to cart. Now go to the cart. So we have all these things, right? So it is for 1 year, and we can also explore what is the rating for different years. So privacy protection is not supported for co.in domains, it seems. So if your application is if it requires more security, you may need to choose this. You should not choose this because it says that it does not support privacy protection, right? And auto renew is on. This domain will be auto renewed on January 29th every year. You will be automatically be billed when the renewal account reoccurs, right? So custom email, what is this saying? So it says that you will also get tools like shared calendars, docs, online storage, and more to keep your business running smoothly. Okay, so let this be starter. Or we don't need to choose all these things because this is just a sample web app. And you today taxes will be calculated at checkout. So checkout. So now it asks for the contact details. Just fill in this according to you. Next, it asks for the card details. Fill them. So including the GST and GST tax, the total pricing is this. So click on buy.